Absolutely, AI is changing the market, and we are seeing this happening globally now. Because earlier building a startup required a team of developers, marketers, designers, and analysts. But today, AI has democratized the entrepreneurship domain. A single founder can now perform the task that earlier required 5 to 10 specialized people. And believe me, it was really tough to find those specialized people. Now, for example, like if you want to, generate certain business plans, tools like ChatGPT, Cloud, AI, they are there to help you generate the business plans. They're here to help you strategize the marketing techniques, and then obviously to develop the product ideas. Design tools like Canva can instantly create logos, brand kits, and even the social media creatives. And this is just the tip of the large iceberg that we're discussing over here. So earlier, what used to take months can now take days. And but the only thing, miss, which I also always tell founders, the one important thing is that AI is not here to replace entrepreneurship, but rather it will amplify the entrepreneurial capability. Because the real advantage will go to the founders who combine the AI tools with the clear problem solving thinking. And that's why, means today a solopreneur can actually operate like a small company.